Welcome to Queen Bee's beehive. Let's go in. The bees are to extract honey from the blossoms as per Her Majesty Bee's demands. Will you help the workers collect honey for the queen? The worker bees get ready to complete their mission. Help the workers get dressed to collect honey. Good job. Let's go outside. Tap a flower to help the worker bee extract nectar from. Good job. Tap another flower. Good job. Tap another flower. Good job. Excellent. Tap to help mix the honey. Let's take the honey to the queen. Yummy! Yay! Congratulations on assisting worker bees in completing